Hello guys, welcome to English Avenue, and today here we are to discuss what is the difference between say, tell, speak and talk. Lot of time people get confused about these four, that where to use in case of writing or also in case of speaking. So today we are going to give you what are the uses of these things and what are the examples and where to use we also. So let us start with the topic, and before starting the topic I would like to say please subscribe the channel and like it, and definitely put your comments, right? So now coming to your session, that what is the difference between these four. We will start with first say. We can use the say in first condition, that is in case of direct or indirect speech. Here you can find to direct and indirect speech, and examples you can take. He said that he is ill. That means you are passing the message by indirect speech or direct speech. Second condition, that is often used without a personal object. Without a personal object, very rarely or very often it used, the say is used. You can find out an example. She said that she would be late. Third condition, that is we can use to as a personal object while using say. Like an example, I say to all the people of this great country. Because we have often used personal object, so we can add to here to describe the same thing. Now coming to the next, that is tell, where we can use tell. First again similar, there is no big difference between say and tell. So in case of direct or indirect speech also we can use tell. Like an example, she told me that she would be late. Here that was the sentence, that she said me that she would be late, she told me that she would be late. Very similar. Second, tell someone or something. Suppose you want to say about something or about someone. Suppose I am talking with my friend about another friend. In that case, I can use tell. Like an example, Raj's mother told him to clean his house. I am talking to with my friend. Like I can say that I am telling my friend that what are the orders his mother gave him. Third one, to give information to somebody, to pass a information. Suppose example, I told him about it. Suppose your exam is coming and your friend, one of your friend is unknown about the part, and you need to pass the information because exam is a vital part. In that case you can say I told him about the exam. I have already told him about the exam. I have already told him about the session. Whatever the information you want to pass from you, that can be used by tell. Next, third one is speak. So first one, when we can use speak for one-way communication. When we are doing a one-way communication, suppose think about that the other person who is in front of us, he doesn't know that what I am going to talk with him or what I am going to discuss with him. In that case we can use speak. Like suppose an example, there is a disturbance between two people and the other has been you can say he is very angry and he doesn't want to talk with him. So in that case you can say I need to speak to you after class. Suppose your class is going on and you know that this is a matter you need to discuss. In that case you can say I need to speak to you after my class. Second condition, that is for more formal or serious situation. Suppose there is a huge disturbance between you and your friend. In that case you can say you can use it. Or also suppose you can imagine on a situation that is going on right now, that Pulwama issue. What happens that terrorist attacks our Indian soldiers, and now what happened, every Indian gets angry and they want the revenge. In that case, while our prime minister also get angry and he wants also the revenge, in that case we can say PM spoke to or prime minister spoke to the audience about the war. He already delivered the message. Last one, that is ability to speak language. That means what are the language you can speak, that is your ability, and what are the things you can do. I can ask you that one by question, like do you speak English? I can say that I can speak two languages. I can speak Tamil, I can speak Odia, I can speak English, I can speak Hindi. What are the things? Whatever your ability to speak in case of language, you have to use speak. Not like that I can say English, I can tell English. No, I can speak English. Right? Fourth one, that is talk. You can have a look here. It's talk. When we can use the talk, first one, that is about a general topic. When we are discussing about a general topic, we can use talk. For an example, general topic means common topic, or that's a non-factor. Like we can say, suppose I'm going to start a project and I need to discuss with my friend. In that case, I can say we talked about the big project, or we talked about my big project. Second one, it refers two or more people exchanging or sharing their views about information. I mean, there is a difference between here passing the information and sharing an information. Here you can say what is the difference between talk and tell. Here in case of tell, that is to give information to somebody. I mean, you have to pass information. But while you are using talk in case of information, that means you are discussing about the information. Suppose an example you can take. I got an information, or I got a topic, or whatever the topic I got, or whatever the information I got, and not only me I'm talking about, we both are, me and one of my friend, we are talking about, or we are discussing about the things. In that case, we can say talk. Like let us talk about it. We can talk about it. Suppose, take an example. So be clear about that. While you are passing information, then you have to use, that is tell. And when you are discussing about a topic or discussing about an information, there you have to use talk. So I hope you got some ideas about where to use and how to use. And also I hope you enjoyed the video. So whatever the doubts you have, you can see what are the examples and uses. You can check it out in the description box. If again you find any kind of doubt, please put your comments on our comment box. Definitely we will help you. Thank you.